Hey everyone, Leigh Goldstein, the trading director at 10 Minute Trades, and this week's trade of the week was a really good one. So let me show you what happened. Don't forget, I'm Leigh Goldstein, trading director. Remember, all trades we discuss are for educational purposes. You can lose money trading futures, so trade carefully. Let me show you this week's trade of the week. One of our setups for US GDP is the NQ range trade, and because of the holiday, we were trading micros, MNQ. We also had an oil setup that was canceled. It didn't follow through. The news came out. It was a little bit late. We took advantage of the explosion and we got tons of positive slippage. We had only about $18 of profit that we should have gotten, and we received over $76 in profit. Lots of positive slippage because of a fast moving market. So let me show you that trade of the week one more time. We created a range. The range got blown through, pulled us in the market, positive slippage. The news was a tiny bit late, so instead of missing the main move, boom, we get filled right at the moment of the main news, the main move. 76 bucks on micros, just trading two little contracts. Positive slippage, a nice way as we get close to the holiday to get a gift, a little market gift. Leigh Goldstein from the trade room. I'll see you next week. Take care.